Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at modeling an F-117 and this is what it looks like, and what we're going to do is look at modeling the left half of it, because what we're going to do is just mirror one side to the other side. With surface modeling, normally you will just model one half of it and then mirror over to the other side. So let's go ahead and get started. Let me turn this body off and turn the canvases on. Now, if you're wondering where to get these pictures at, you can just send me an email if you want to, and I will send you the files for these pictures here. Or you can just look up on the internet itself and look for F-117 pictures, and you should get pictures of the F-117 like this to model from. So yeah. So first thing I want to do is create a sketch on this plane here. One thing I want to tell you also, once you learn this surface modeling technique, you should be able to model cars, because cars are done the same way as well. So once you learn this, you should be able to do cars too. So that's a little added bonus. So what I'm going to do is create a line from here to back here. Then look at this line from the side, and we can see the line is on the bottom, and I want to move it up. So I'm going to highlight the line itself, select the letter M for move, and just move the line up. And then rotate it. Looks like a -6, maybe -7. Okay, that looks about right. Maybe -7.5. Let's try a negative. Negative here in the front. Okay, that's better. And click OK. And it's just up not too much, but we can go ahead and move it down. Oops, didn't want to do that, so go back. And click OK. I'll turn this slightly around here. Now make sure you have your 3D sketch over here checked. Now I'm on another line, L for line, and our first line is, make sure this snaps onto here. Then go up to the top. Line to here. Look at this from the side and move this down. Again, I'm going to do another line, L for line. Snaps onto the point here. Then look at this from the top again. And click there. Okay. Look at this from the side. And it's up, so we need to move it down. That's fine. That is a little longer here. And again, L for line. So it snaps onto the point there and that point there. That looks good. And we go ahead and click Finish Sketch. Then we come over here to Surface and select Patch. We want to patch this. And we click OK. Turn the bodies back on. Let me turn these other bodies off first. And look at the sketches. Okay. And that's one we just did, that piece right there. We turn the canvases off so we can have a really good look at it, and that's what it looks like. Okay, I turn this off. Turn the canvases back on. And the sketches. The next piece we're going to make is this piece here. So we can see if we can find it over here. It's this piece right here. This is what we're going to make now. So create a sketch. This plane here. Line. And the line is up a little, so move it down. Okay. And we want line again. And again, make sure your 3D sketches is turned on over here. Okay, we've got that line there. Now another line. Lock onto this point. This from the side a little or the top. And move this down. Another line. Sure it locks onto here or snaps onto there. And look at this from the top. This goes down. Look at this from the front, and that looks good. Lock on or snap on here again. See if we can see this from the front. Actually, I need to look at it from the top again. Okay. Line again here. Look at the top. All right. It's from the angle again. Another line. Snap to this point and snap to this point. Click OK. Turn off these canvases. And finish sketch. Move this down just a little bit. Surface, patch this, click OK. And those are the two pieces we've made so far. Okay. Now moving along down the side, we're going to make this piece here. Back to solid. Create a sketch. This plane here. Align. Make sure I got the right point. Okay. Look at this from the top again. Another line. Snap here. Need to move one of these lines up. Okay, now I know which one to move up. This one. And another line. Snap there, onto there. Okay. Now, when you model this, also make sure all your pictures that you're using, make sure everything lines up properly. And if you do that, your model will turn out much better. So finish sketch. Surface, patch this, click OK. Turn off the canvases, have a look. Okay. And here's our 3 pieces so far. Since I'm modeling pretty much from the right side here, just move that back. And try to make everything line up with the right side. And that's off just a little. Like I said, make sure that your canvases that you put in here, make sure they're all lined up properly. Next piece is this right here. Line again, snaps to that point. Look at this from the top again. Another line. Another line here, snapped here. Another line. Another line. And another line. Snap there, over there. Finish sketch. Turn the canvases off so we can see our sketches. Surface, patch this here, click OK. Turn the bodies on so we can have a look at this, and there we have that. Okay. Create a sketch. Use this plane again. The bottom. Now I'm going to connect this to this and this to this. So use a line again. Finish sketch. Surface, patch, this. Click OK. And we have this. As you can see, the more as we go on, it begins to look more like the F-117. And like I said, also that if you learn this and can do this, you should be able to model a car just as well, because this is how it's done also. And also, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that like button as well. Let's see the next piece. I'm going to close this up right here. Turn these bodies off. Turn the sketches back on. Okay. Create a sketch. Bottom plane again. Line. Snap here. The top. Move this down. Another line. And that just deleted that constraint. And I believe that's it. And I put one more line in here, it looks like. So cancel that. And create sketch. Use the bottom. And another line. And try this again. Go ahead and click OK. Turn the bodies on. And there we have that. Okay. And that's what we have so far. Pitch is looking really good. Turn the canvas on so we can have a look at that too. From the front, you see that looks really good. And from the side, that looks really good. So pretty much that's going to do it for this segment of this. I wanted to get you guys started on doing this surface modeling. In the next video, when I come back to this, we'll just finish up this side here and mirror it onto the other side, and hopefully just go ahead and finish this whole thing the next time do this another video, because there's not a whole lot left to do. There's only just a couple more small pieces here. But I wanted to keep this video between actually 10 and 20 minutes, and I went over, and so I apologize for going over. But anyway, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video or my videos, go ahead and hit that like button as well. Also, I invite you to join my Facebook group and my Patreon site. Both are called CAD Build Fly RC. Go over there and have a look. There's good people help you out with a lot of stuff you're trying to model, and I'll help you also. And so, yeah, this is looking really good. And like I said before, you learn how to surface model like this, you should be able to surface model cars as well, or a lot of things. So this is really good to learn how to do this. And modeling this F-117, as you can see, it's not very difficult. It's just time getting everything lined up properly and stuff like that. So yeah, but that's going to do it for this video, and hope you guys have a great rest of your week and weekend. And once again, hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you in the next video.
Subscribe for more.